Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Teeny Titan character, and this time it's gonna be Kid Flash. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out with his eye. So it's just gonna be two long ovals. Okay, so draw one and then come across kind of far apart. Those are gonna be his eyes, and so let me shade it in real quick. Okay, so once we have the eyes, just kind of come down and draw his mouth. So right in the middle here, you just kind of come down. So draw a line across. And then from here, we're gonna come down and just draw like a curve for the opening of his mouth. Okay, and then from there, we're gonna draw his teeth inside. So this one's easy, we just draw two lines. And then just kind of come across, connect those. And then for the bottom teeth, we just draw one line across. Okay, so that's pretty much it for his face. And so we're gonna start drawing his mask. So right in the middle here, you can make a little dot. And then just draw a line, angle coming down right between the mouth and the eyes. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna draw the side of the face. So right around the eye area right here, come out. And we're gonna come down all the way to the bottom of the lip. So same thing on this side, so we're just coming down the side of the face. Okay, and then once you have that, now from this corner here, we'll just go out to the side and finish up the mask. Okay, and then to finish off the chin, we're just gonna come down. So if you wanna come down here, you can draw like a little arc like that first. And then we'll just kind of connect this, because this is kind of, it's a little bit straighter line here. Okay, so that's his chin. So let's move up to his hair. So right in the middle, we're gonna go up, and then we're gonna draw one curve like this. That's gonna be his hair. And then on the side here, we're gonna go out, and then come down with a slant, just connecting that. Okay, so this right here, we're gonna start drawing his hair. So we're gonna go up. So it's pretty big. So that's gonna be one clump. And then we're gonna start around here, just kind of draw another clump and just come right back down. Okay, so right here on this side as well. So we're gonna come down and just one clump. And then after those three clumps, there's gonna be just a little bit of a strand there. Okay, so that's pretty much the hair and the head. So now we got to draw in his ear on the side. So he's got these things on his ear. So this is gonna be just one long rectangle. So just start here, just come down. So this one's easy. And now for the little lightning bolt thing. So start in the middle, slightly a little bit higher, and just come out, up, and then out again. And then we're gonna come back in from here. Okay, come in at a slant, and then we're just gonna follow this line here. So we're just giving it some thickness. Okay, so same thing here. Come out, slant up, out, and then we're gonna come back in with a slant, and then just follow this curve, this angle here. All right, so it's a pretty cool looking head. So let's move on to the body, and for his body, we're gonna start out with his arms. So we can just draw one arc like this, and then on this side, we're just gonna draw it this way, because I'm gonna have his arms doing different poses. So once you have that line, just come down right here. This is gonna be his armpit. Okay, so that's gonna be his waist, coming down to his waist. Okay, and then once you have that, now we can draw in the lower part of the arm. Okay, so we're gonna keep, well, let's draw this one first. So we're gonna keep going on this one. We're gonna bend it up. And then we'll draw in his thumb right here. So just a little block. Okay, and then right underneath here, just draw another block, little rectangle. And those are gonna be his other fingers. So we're just gonna divide it up. And then now the index finger is going to be pointing, so just kind of come out and just come back in. Okay, and then we'll just curve this all the way out. Just connect that. And then for the glove detail here, so just one little zigzag there. Alright, so now let's draw the other arm. So we're gonna come out. Okay, so that's about his elbow. So now we're gonna come down some more. And then here's gonna be his thumb right here. And then now for his other fingers, his index fingers, we just gonna draw a little angle like that. So his other finger is gonna be on the back, so we don't have to draw it. And then same thing here, a little zigzag for the glove. Okay, so now let's draw in his legs. So this one's easy, just come down the middle, draw a little line there first. And then now we'll come out and close it off. Same thing here, it's gonna be the same pose. And then close that off. And then now for his lower leg, so we're just gonna come down. This one's gonna come down and then we're just gonna slant it like that. Okay, and then for his foot, we're gonna slant out and then just close that with a little bit of curve. Okay, so same thing here, come down. Use this side for reference so you know how far down to go. Come down and then slant. And then we're gonna come out for his foot. And then slight curve again. Alright, and then for the details on his suit here. So right here in the middle, we can draw in like a V shape. Okay, and then on the corner here, come in. And then now go back out. On both sides. And then he's got the lightning bolt here, so this one's easy. So just come down, just zigzag, just draw 3 of them. And then now in the corner here, we come down and just kind of follow that line. And then the last one here, come out a little bit more, so you have a little bit more room. And then we just come back to the point there. Okay, and then for the base, you don't have to draw this, but if you want to, just come out on the side here. You can draw, just make two dots first, and then we're gonna connect that with a nice curve. So we're just gonna curve this. Okay, and then once you have that, we're gonna slant down. So this is the side, and then we're gonna draw the same curve here, but just slightly longer and bigger. All right, and then for the top side here, so we're gonna draw this curve over here, but just the opposite side. So we're gonna go up instead, and then we're gonna come back down, just connect that. And that is it for this Kid Flash from the Teeny Titans game. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.